Students, welcome to class 6 subject math chapter factors and multiples, and it's me MD Altaf Hussain. So today we will learn about test of divisibility. So test of divisibility 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These all numbers we will check the for these all numbers we will check test of divisibility. First, test of divisibility by 2. Test of divisibility by 2, how do you check that any number is divisible by 2 or not? Test of divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its ones digit is 0 to 4. That means even number. If any number is divisible by 2, we will write any number is divisible by 2 if its one digit one's digit is an even number, that is it may be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, anything. So any number like example, if 2, 7, 8 is there, 8 is even number, here one's digit 8 which is even number, so this one is divisible by 2. So example 2, if any number like 2, 3, 7, 9, so here 9 is not a even number, not an even number, so therefore 2, 3, 7, 9 is not divisible by, it's not divisible by 2, not divisible by 2. Now test of divisibility by 3. So how do you check that any number is divisible by 3 or not? For that, what we will do, we will check the digit, sum of digit is divisible by 3 or not. If sum of digits of any number is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. So example 1, suppose we have one number 64275, so sum of the digit equal to sum of its digits equal to 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 7 plus 5, that is 10 to 12, 12 and 5, 17, 24, and 3 divided by 24 is 8. So therefore 64275 is divisible by 3. So this way we have to check. First you will do first step, sum do the sum of all the digits of the given number, then divide by these 3. If we get remainder 0 or it is completely divisible by 3, then we will say the number is divisible by 3. Now next question, test of divisibility. Test of divisibility by 4. So how do you test that any number is divisible by 4 or not? So for that we have to take tens and one digits which is divisible by 4 or not. So if any numbers, if the tens and ones digits number is divisible by 4, then we can say the given number is divisible by 4. Suppose example we have taken 6 9 6 8 5 2 8 5 2 9 6 8 5 2. So this is the given number, and 96852 852. So here ones, tens and ones digit is 52. So 52 is divisible by 4 or not? 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So 52. So last two digit number 52 is divisible by 4. Therefore the number 96852 is divisible by 4. This way we have to check. Second is test of divisibility. Test of divisibility by 5. So how do you check that any number is divisible by 5 or not? So to check, what we have to do, we have to see that ones digit of the given number is 0 or 5 or not. So if any number contain 0 or 5 at place of ones digit, then we can say the number is divisible by 5. Suppose example 65, where one's digit is 5, so therefore which is divisible by 5. So this number is divisible 5. We can check. 5 ones are 5, 1 5, 5 threes are, so 5 13s are, so 13 into 5 is 65, we already know. So check another number, suppose 310. So its ones digit is 0, so this one is also divisible by 5. This is also divisible by 5. Next question. Next is test of divisibility by 6. Test of divisibility by 6. Test of divisibility by 6. So how do you check any number is, how do you check divisible by 6 or not? So we have to check that if the ones place digit, if any number is divisible by 6, it is divisible by each one of 2 and 3. If any number divisible by 6, then the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, 2 and 3 both individually. Individually. Check one example. Suppose we have one number 1356. 1356. So it is 6 here. At ones place we have 6, which is an even number, which is an even number. Therefore 1356 is divisible by 2. Again 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6, that is 4 9 9 6 15 15, which is sum of the all digit is divisible by 3. Therefore the number 1356 is divisible by 3. So next, divisible by 7. How do you check that any number is divisible by 7 or not? Test of divisibility by 7. So any number, suppose one number is there 6804. We have to check this number is divisible by 7 or not, by 7 or not. So first what we will do, we will find the difference between the twice the ones digit and the number formed by the other digit. First we will find, so 6804, so ones digit is here, so difference, so one digit is 4 here, ones digit is 4, so twice of 4 is 4 into 2, that is 8. Now difference equal to 6804 minus 8, that is 6 7. Oh, other digits, we have to difference it from other digits, not from here. So this will be 672, and which is divisible by 7. So if you divide 672, which is divisible by 7, so 672 divide by 7, 7 9 is 63, 4 2, 7 6 is 42. So therefore we can say that 6804 is divisible by 7. So once more we will repeat this one. So what is there? We have to check that any number is divisible by 7 or not. So for that, what we will do, first we will take the ones digit. Here ones digit is 4, and we have to take twice of that ones digit. So here we got 8. Now find the difference from that number 8 from the other numbers whatever left. So we left numbers are 680. So from that number we have to make difference of 8, so we will get 672, and this 672 is divisible by 7. That means the whole number 6804 is divisible by 7. So hope students you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.